Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, September 23rd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, widening state, lightning to the upside. H pattern, moving average bounce. H pattern, lightning to the upside. 555 H pattern, moving average bounce. Slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and we're going to see how this price reacts to the high of Friday. So there's little to no follow through. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to, hold on.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.25 move on QQQ today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, September 23rd, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, close enough slingshot. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to go to a break-even status. This impulse was very strong. I want to see how the corrective wave reacts, and depending on how deep it is, we can assess whether we're going to go back up to $1. Maybe we might go up to the high of the day. As you can see, the price exploded beyond the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. Now it's coming back to it. So what I anticipate is the price to hold around that area. As you can see, we impulsed up, corrective wave down, and I expect a impulse back up. So as long as the price holds around the 482.75, 483 area, we should be good. If not, this might turn into a scratch trade, but as long as it holds those areas, there's a very strong possibility we'll at least go back up to that dollar move, and or a little bit past it, may visit the high of the day again.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.50 run, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.